Hey, Gil, what sound is this? Oh man, I think that's a rooster. Hey, Molly, Gil got his correct. Can you get yours correct? What sound is this? Wow, I haven't heard one of those in a long time. That is a horse. Hey, Dima, Gil and Molly got theirs right. Can you get yours right? What is this sound? I'm Dima, and that is a cow. Hey, Nani, so far, Gil, Molly, and Dima have gotten all of theirs correct. So you tell me, what is this sound? You're pretty smart, so it's going to be a tough one. Wow, that is, if I am correct, a bear, specifically a grizzly bear. Hey, Una, so far everyone's got their sounds correct. So how about you? What sound is this? Aw, I know what that is. That's a sweet little kitty cat. Hey, Gobi, so far everybody's got their sounds correct. So you tell me, what sound is this? Oh, wow! I know that's not Bubble Puppy, but it is a dog! Okay, Mr. Grouper, so far all the Guppies have gotten their sounds correct. Now it's your turn. What is this sound? Line up, everybody line up, that's a goat! Well, Bubble Puppy, I don't know if you can get sounds right. Okay, we'll give you a shot. Here you go. What sound is this? That's correct! That's a baboon! Little fish, it's your turn. Okay. What sound is this? Well, of course, that's an elephant! That's silly!